The 2017 Emmy nominations have been announced. Check out which actors and shows got a nod. The Emmys seem to be getting more and more competitive every year, and this year was no exception. Westworld and SNL topped the list with a whopping 22 nominations each, but it's also a huge year of nominations for Stranger Things, Veep, and The Handmaid's Tale. In the Best Drama Series category, Stranger Things, The Handmaid's Tale, and Westworld are all nominated, alongside other fan favorites such as This Is Us and The Crown. As for Best Comedy Series, Veep, Blackish, Silicon Valley, Modern Family, Unbreakable Kimmy Schmidt, and Master of None will all duke it out for the gold statue. Honestly, these shows are all so different, I don't know how anybody's gonna be able to choose. And if you thought that's a fierce competition, well, just wait until you hear about the acting categories. For Best Actress in a Drama, Claire Foy, Viola Davis, and Elizabeth Moss have all unsurprisingly received nominations. Meanwhile, actors nominated for Best Actor in a Drama Series include This Is Us actors Sterling K. Brown and Milo Ventimiglia, as well as Kevin Spacey and Anthony Hopkins. Talk about some intimidating competition. As for our favorite funny actors and actresses, Ellie Kemper, Tracy Ellis Ross, and Juliette Louis-Dreyfus are all up for Best Actress in a Comedy Series, and Aziz Ansari, Zach Galifianakis, and Donald Glover are nominated in the Best Comedic Actor category. Stranger Things star Millie Bobby Brown received a nomination for Best Supporting Actress in a Drama Series. Meanwhile, SNL ladies Vanessa Bayer, Leslie Jones, and Kate McKinnon are all competing against each other for Best Supporting Actress in a Comedy Series. As for the guys, Titus Burgess of Unbreakable Kimmy Schmidt deservingly snagged a Supporting Actor nod for his work on the comedy show. Meanwhile, David Harbour, who plays Detective Hopper on Stranger Things, received a Supporting Actor nod for his work on the dramatic Netflix series. But one of the most fun surprises of the Emmy nominations came from Shannon Purser, aka Barb from Stranger Things, grabbing a nod for Best Guest Actress in a Drama Series. Although it's a smaller category that usually doesn't get announced during the big show, we'll definitely take this as a victory in the fight for justice for Barb. Alright guys, I want to know which shows and actors you're most excited for on their Emmy nominations, so let me hear your thoughts in the comments, and after that, click right here to check out the spelling bee fail on our latest episode of True Showmance. Thanks so much for joining me on Newsfeed, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm your host, Erin Robinson, and I'll see you next time.